These are two very popular tourist destinations. Then my partner suggested we look for one more place as a bonus. She's excellent in planning trips, so I don't even bother to give a suggestion. After some few minutes, she came up with Maro. I said, wait, what? Maro? Maro is in Portugal. No, sorry, that's Faro. I said, okay, fine, let's do it. Then we bought the ticket to Nerja online, and the plan is to go to Frigilana from Nerja and then to Maro. Hey, wait a second. Did I forget to say hi? Welcome back to my channel. Please forgive my manners. I'm just so curious to tell you about my experience at Maro, and I forget about everything. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, what I do is I travel, I see beautiful places, and I share with people. I also share important information just in case you want to visit too. So if there's something you'd like to know and I'm not talking about it, please ask in the comment section. If you're new to my channel and you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button because I've got more exciting places and information to share with you. So Maro was the last place we visited on our list. We didn't have so much planned, so we just went, and trust me, we arrived at the best time ever. We arrived in the evening and it was the day of Feria. The street was lighting up and decorated. I said to myself, oh my God, I wasn't expecting this today. What a beautiful small town. We didn't have enough time to check places to visit in Maro, so we just walked around the town and headed to the beach. Sometimes I feel most of these popular destinations are scam because you pay a lot of money to get there and you don't get the rest that you deserve. This small town is beautiful with views my words cannot express enough. The street and its colorful flowers, the mountain view, the beach, the sea view, the sunset, the beach, the clean water, amazing. This summer alone, I've been to lots of beaches, from the beach of Algeciras to La Linea to Estepona, Marbella, Fuengirola, Torremolinos, Benalmádena, Malaga capital, Nerja. And it's unbelievable that my favorite beach is the one I never had planned to visit. We almost missed our bus because we find it hard to get out of this beautiful, calm, clean water that feels like the Olympic pool. I mean, after climbing and walking around the town of Frigilana, the town on the mountain, and walking down the street of Nerja to see the balcony of Europe, ending the day at the beach of Maro is the best thing that happened to me that day. Don't miss my video from Frigilana and Nerja because they are going to blow your mind away. At some point in life, you can feel lost and you're looking for a place to discover yourself and connect to nature. You want to escape the city life or the stress from work, or you need peace, go and spend some few days in Maro, and by the time you return to your city, you are going to be a new person. Just in case you have plans to visit Maro in the future, kindly respect the locals so that we can always have access to that beautiful, clean water. Let me not talk too much because now I feel like I'm distracting you from enjoying the view of that beautiful little town. Enjoy the video to the end, and if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click on that subscribe button and click on the bell so that you can get notified when I drop my next video.